Hey guys, welcome to AJ Tech. So today I'm going to be unboxing this DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus. I bought this today from Best Buy for my drone business that I'm about to start. I'm hoping to replace my Mavic Mini that I had bought a couple of years ago. I heard there's a lot of improvements, so hopefully. Here's the drone right here. First round. Alright, cool. We're welcomed with this bag, the shoulder bag. I'm assuming everything's inside of the bag. Here it has DJI on it. Cool. Okay. Looks like this. Alright, cool. So here we have the controller. This is the one with the RC remote that has the screen built in. Cool, we can put this here. Oops, okay. Here we have the battery hub. And the Mavic 4 Mini 4 right here. And here we have more parts, a guide, and some extra propellers, cables, stuff like that. But I like this new bag. It's pretty nice. You can see here, we can put fit everything inside, which is pretty cool. Here, I can show you my this is my Mavic Mini's case. So, I like the new one more. This one's pretty cool too, but the new one feels more premium. And yeah, here, let's open these. Alright, so the Mavic Mini 4 has this protector, the bag, and it has this that holds the propellers, which is pretty cool. Put this here. Here we have the battery hub. I used to like the older one. This one is pretty nice too, it seems like. What's cool about these is that they have it in and out, so you can charge all of them, or you can use it to charge your phone or something. Maybe even this controller. And then here we have the controller. Ooh, this is a nice screen. We have the camera button, the record, both gimbals, because it goes up, down, right, and left. And this is pretty much everything. So hopefully within the next couple of weeks, I'll try to come out with a review of the Mavic Mini 4, some footage, and thank you. Please like and subscribe if you like my content, and suggest anything in the comments that you would like to see.